Good morning, guys. We will start in 7 minutes. 7 minutes, 7 minutes, 7 minutes. Let's get some questions and tickers in, and I will be with you shortly. All right, questions, tickers. Also, like up the stream if you haven't. I know we only got 20 people in here, but we only got 4 likes. I know everyone can like it because they're able to watch it. All right, see you soon. 5 minutes till we get started. 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Alright guys, 3 minutes till we get started. 3 minutes. Please like up the stream. Also get some questions in. No one has asked any questions at all. What are you guys sitting here for? Come on, get the questions in. Get the tickers in so I can help you guys. Alright, I'm here to help. I'm assuming if you don't ask, then you guys are all multi-millionaires and you don't need to watch this. Alright, I'm assuming you guys watch this for education purposes. Alright, so ask the questions you struggle with. It can be as simple as what is a green candle? What is a red candle? Come on, guys. All right. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Okay, cool. Let me change my screen over. Everybody can see it. Clear, clear, clear. Let me just repost the link for live trading so everyone can get in here. Then we will start. All right. Discard. I am now live trading on YouTube. All right, everyone go retweet it. Repost, repost, repost. Repost, repost, repost. Okay, 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 okay. Good morning, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Good afternoon. Good evening here in Dubai. Late afternoon. It is 4:30 p.m. I will be done here at 7 p.m. So that's 11 a.m. Eastern. I will be done. I am going for dinner to... It's my best friend's birthday, so I'm going for food. Hello, I want to join the Discord, but I'm stuck with the daily buy and sell limit. Your transactions seem more like buy and sell. Where do you live and what broker are you using? You can use Webull if you are in the US. You can do unlimited day trades. Even if you have under 25,000, you just need a cash account. You can use IBKR. You just need a cash account. It is easy to do it. IBKR is probably the best one if you're not in the US. By your name, I'm assuming you might be Turkish. I don't know. Could be wrong. Hakan, I don't understand, unfortunately. I only speak English. KLTO. KLTO, you need to wait for the downtrend to break. Do not enter now. It is high risk. If you enter now, keep a stop loss. But you cannot during pre-market, so it's difficult. Wait for the downtrend break. All right, KLTO. What up, Fig? How did you trade yesterday? Yesterday was a red day for me. 2 red trades I took, unfortunately. 2 A+ setups. Market was just very slow. Very, very slow, but expecting a big day today. Gonna make it all up. This MGRX has 0 volume, but based on technicals, you are in a bullish flag, which means that it should continue to go up and break out. You guys can all like up the stream if you haven't. I can see who hasn't done it. I have a cheat bot on my YouTube so I can see who doesn't like it. So please like it up. Come on, guys. I know you guys can do it. It's literally free. I'm giving you guys free plays, free education, teaching you how to trade literally for free here. And all you can do is like it up. It doesn't cost you anything. Win-win for you guys. Bull flag. In order for this to respect these technicals, it needs to have volume. Otherwise, it will reject this, unfortunately. What is this? Hello, traders. Good morning. MSW. MSW. Don't know what's going on with this. I see it had news or something. This volume spike. Maybe above. What is this resistance? I would just personally avoid something like this. Maybe above 650, but I don't like these strong wicks here. Rejection here. So hold the phone on it. Hold the phone. Here we go. So MSW, wait for 650 break. All right, so wait for 650 break. Candle can close above that on 5-minute time frame, ideally. Yesterday was epic. Not for me, unfortunately, but well done if it was for you. Rejoining Discord today. Let's go, Jeff. Can you look at CRML? Guys, this is the Discord link, by the way. Someone asked earlier today. Here. 1 and 3 month tier is still available. Yes, it is. You can join. Live trading every day. Hassi is unfortunately away. It's a medical condition. So hopefully he's back tomorrow. What do we have here? CRML, it is currently just ranging based on the 4-hour. It's just doing this. Maybe entries above this, like resistance here, 161. Other than that, I would just leave it alone. You don't want to be trading in a range. So above 161, I know there's news. I don't know if that's for the stock, but yeah. Entries only above 161. ONDS, 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 ONDS. Down 9% in demand zone here. Possible reversal. I'll have a look and see what the larger time frame or the smaller time frame is looking like. So you have a demand zone here. Demand zone is where buy step in. Ideally, you want this green candle now. This one here to have a bottom wick. So yeah, maybe entries here. Stop loss would literally be max 132, which is too big for me, but you can apply that. When it's in a demand zone, there is a possible reversal. That is what a demand zone is. OPTT, this is probably one of the most pumped stocks in the whole market, but 0.6, here it is. Here are your levels. 0.6 is your next psych level. So we have OPTT, 0.6 is next big resistance. Close above that 0.6 and then you should be good. Please, 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 please. No problemo. How's RGTI looking? RGTI looks alright. Yeah, RGTI looks good. Expecting it to push to the upside. SNPX. SNPX nothing unless 392. Above this high. Otherwise leave it. What percentage of pullback off a high indicates bearish trend? I either sell too early or too long. To be honest, I don't really know what the percentage is. I don't trade like that. All I do is I just draw the trend line. So I don't look at a percentage because it can be anything. This stock, for example, it's impossible to know because here, for example, this candle has a 23% move. Another candle can have another bearish move like this. How long is the pullback here? Look. This is a 31% move down. And the other one was from here to here is like 34%. So for me, the candle range on this is way too high. I just wait for the downtrend to break if I was to trade it. So here, this is a downtrend, breaks above, close above, then that's maybe a good entry. But percentage-wise, there's no such thing in my opinion. I don't really know. If you sell too early, the best way to do it is always, if you're in a situation now, let's say you're up in profits, hold it and say, okay, this is where I always sell. Hold, hold, hold. If it goes up a little bit, then all you can do is what? Scale out. That's the best way to do it. Or if you always sell too early, be like, okay, this is where I always sell. Let me sell 99% of my position. Let me hold one share and let me see where it goes. That's the way you can get practicing at it. What has the best swing setup? I have no idea. I wish I knew the answer to that, unfortunately. I really do wish I did know. I don't know the best one. Enjoy the birthday. Thank you. Is daily buying and selling allowed? Yes, you can. You just use a cash account. Cash account. Not a margin account. Cash account means that if you have under 25,000, if you have $10,000, you can trade as many trades as you want with $10,000. You can do one trade, $10,000. You can do two trades, 5,000, 5,000. However you decide to do it. Your money will settle the next day. NCNA right now is above you. I think it's buying view up right now, right? Looks good. Discord members, candlestick strategy on this if you want to. Here and here. Focus on this one. Looks good for reversal here. Should reverse off this VWAP. Max like 7% stop loss. Reversing off VWAP. Looks good. Discord members, you know where to take this trade. EVGN. Below VWAP, not looking good. Needs to close above VWAP or at least above the downtrend. Your support level is right over here at $2.30. EVGN, your opinion on gap right now. My opinion on gap right now. What is my opinion on gap? Gap, I have an opinion that it's not looking good. It is bearish. If I have to take a trade for some reason on it, it would only be above here, unfortunately, which is $24. Reason is you have resistance here, here, and here. Break this resistance, you have clean range to the upside. Personally, would focus on $24, $30. Swing entries only above $24.30. Also, if it does break above $24.30, you will then identify something that is very clear, which will be an uptrend. So if it breaks here, would be pushing to the upside. That's what you want, bullish trend. EVGN, whatever that one. Kappa. NCNA and another boat. Nice, good luck, good luck, good luck. KLTO was right. I think it did very well today. KLTO, Kappa, wait for close above 0.6. A lot of rejection here. Entries only above 0.6. I see it had news. Calm. Let me see. Calm. Calm, you need to close above this downtrend. There are a lot of wicks around this level here, around this 0.46. You're also above VWAP, but I don't know, you have like this resistance level here. I would say around this level is a lot of rejections, like 0.45. A lot of rejections here. Look, rejection here. So maybe a close above 0.45. So do this like that. Maybe entries above 0.45. Right now it's bearish. Entries above 4.5. Plug, it has been a mad run. Yeah, I saw it. I can't believe it. Since that $1 break, which I mentioned, just gone 150, 175, your next levels. Very bullish, looks great on this. I like it. Icon yesterday, reverse split. Yeah, I think the reverse splits are more just the theme of plays when they run, but nothing on Icon at the moment, unfortunately. Maybe above $2. What about Vero? Vero, not good. Vero, downtrend. You can maybe try Vero above this resistance here, 349, 350. But no good on this. You shouldn't be in the stock. Entries only above 349. What's the other one you mentioned? UAVs. UAVs, your entries above 164. I was watching this all day yesterday. It didn't break it, so unfortunately I had to wait. Entries above 164. Gave this in the Discord though at 150, ran to 1, whatever this was. 164. Good morning. Is buying and selling allowed fund? Yes, it is. If you listened, I said yes. Yes. Do you as anyone have a platform? Webull is the platform. Hello. Webull. If you don't live in the US, use IBKR. Type it in on Google and make an account. Use a cash account, not margin, cash. If you don't know how to do that, go onto YouTube, go onto ChatGPT, message their support team. They will be more than willing to help you. Burke is going off. I don't have Burke. B-E-R-K. I don't have Burke, unfortunately. Yeah, I saw Zena moving up. I saw it. Just ran up. I saw it moving and then started running up. This one did okay yesterday, 5%. It ran up more and then it ran up and came straight down yesterday. DGXX. Was this the runner for pre-market? DGXX. You have a wick fill here at 240. Personally would wait for $2 if you want to. Maybe try this entry here. Above 214, you can take it. Breaks the high, last 4-hour candle high to push up, looks good. Entries above 214. All right, 214 is the level to mark. Zena, yes. DJ, thank you for all you do, Tiger. I made some profits yesterday with your calls. Thanks for always teaching us. No problem, my friend. No problem, Gustavo. I hope you are doing very well and I hope you're making a lot of money. Hope you are making a lot of money. Lay's, not sure if we cover that one. Let me have a look. I have not covered it. Lay's looks good. Lay's looks good. Up 5%. The issue is, right, you have this wick here and you have this wick here. There's a lot of rejection here. Even this one, look, see this? So all these levels here indicates what? Selling pressure, selling pressure, selling pressure, selling pressure. So what you can do is simply wait for 434 break to take an entry point on this, because if it breaks that high, then it should continue to go up. But here, there's a lot of indecision with all these levels around here, personally. So Lay's entries are only above $4.34. All right, anything below, leave it. UAVs banging around too. Yeah, let me just, I have UAVs on the watch list. Where's UAVs? I have it. I'll just keep on the watch list. It's up 7%, but there's not real volume right now. HSAI, no volume? No volume, as expected. HSAI needs downtrend break. Currently in a downtrend equals bearish equals do not take the trade yet. HSAI still needs the downtrend break for entries. Right, just wait it out, wait it out. Also, guys from Twitter, if you take any of the trades or like any of the posts, or if you see any setups you like, just like the post so I know I can see it. Lays, not sure, banging. I generally only subscribe to influencers to post their verified year. To me, it doesn't really matter. I have every single trade recorded since I started Discord 4 years ago. So I have over 8,000 trades recorded. You can have a look at all of that. There's about a 73-75% win rate over the course of 4 years. Full transparency is there. In my opinion, the reason why I don't show my money or how much I'm making things is mainly because people like to compare themselves to me. I've done it in the past. For me, it doesn't make any difference, so I feel like I don't need to do it. It is also very personal to me. I don't think it's very important. I like to teach people how I trade. They can see it every day. The wins, the losses, everything is there. I feel like that's enough transparency. I teach them. I give them everything they need to learn. Whether I'm making $100 million a day or $10 a day, I don't feel like it impacts you or anyone else. If you need the transparency, it is there based on the recaps that I have over a year recorded. Wins, losses, you can see. Yesterday I had 2 losses. I posted it the day before. Or last week I had a 67%, then 58, 67, 73, 50%, 75, 67, 71, 100%, 100%, 83, 87, 67, 75, so on and so forth. They're all in the Discord, so yeah, it's there. But for me, I don't think it's important to know how much money people make. I think as long as you teach people and you show that you care and you actually, the transparency is there with the alerts. So I think that's enough. DGXX. But yeah, I understand if that's what you're looking for or something, that's fair enough. I totally understand. This industry doesn't have a good rep. APLD is still bullish. I don't need to draw this. Expecting push the upside, please have a stop loss. Just because I say it's bullish, it doesn't mean it's going to run. I'm basing it off technicals. TEM looks good now. Assuming this is AI theme, Tempest AI. I don't know anything about the company or stock, but yeah, this is it. Your next major level is $72. What is this? TEM, next resistance at $72. Thank you for plugging it right. Tiger, would be helpful to show us why you had a red day yesterday. It's just, I took 2 red trades that didn't work out. I explained it in the Discord as well. It's just the normal setup that I took. They were 2 setups. So in the Discord, I give a reasoning 99% of the time of the trades that I take so they can understand why I took it. Sometimes, like you know, nothing is 100%. And unfortunately, I took the trade twice, the same stock twice, and I got stopped out. But yeah, it was valid reasons. Everything normally it would run. Yes, there was a bit of a shaky market, so maybe that could have been it. But yeah, sometimes plays don't work out. That's really it, to be honest. Nothing else I can really say. Then I took every single setup I take it for pretty much the same exact reasoning. So it's just that it's based on, I guess you could say, the law of averages, taking it, and also just, I don't know, just in a better market, it's much better. Yesterday was a bit weird in my opinion. I didn't really see, everything was trading sideways for like 3 hours. It was very boring to watch. But it was just a falling wedge setup that I usually take, and it didn't work out. I took the same stock twice, which is what I don't usually do. I traded the stock twice, so it means that I entered it 2 times, and when I lose 2 trades in a row, I stop for the day. That's my discipline. That's my trading plan. I rarely ever break my trading rules unless there's a really, really good opportunity for me to re-enter. So yeah, But I gave some setups that worked very well for Discord members apart from those plays, but it is what it is. I haven't had a red day in a few weeks, to be honest. Oh, 2 weeks ago, I think. This one is, BBAI is in a good area here for possible entries. If you do enter, please just have a stop loss, all right? Just sharing what I see and what I think, just paper. If you're using paper, just get cash. I mean, just use Webull or whichever broker. It doesn't really matter for that. ACHR looks good. RKLB, I like it over $33. ACHRs are still bullish. Yeah, ACHR, these are your key levels here. Let me move this one up, sorry. I haven't really updated this chart much. Yeah, this looks very good. I like ACHR. SOGP, this ran yesterday, didn't it? This was a very, very volatile play. Let me just charge the laptop before it cuts on us. Before it cuts out on us, that will not be ideal. Let me just retweet the repost that we are live. All right, cool. Guys, if you do have any chart requests, just put it in Twitter. Like tag me during the day, not now, but during the day. Just tag me and then write it. This one is above 199 for SOGP. I wouldn't take it. Tiger's helping us all break from the free. Yes, you're right. The Matrix. After break, I would just take a 5-minute candle close above MVTS, above 8. Very bullish chart. RR still expecting us to break out. It's in a bullish pennant. It's respecting technicals very well. Not that clean of a bullish pennant, but it is a bullish pennant, so you cannot go with the technicals. Looks bullish. Still bullish. Keep a stop loss. Because I say it's bullish, it doesn't mean it's going to run. I'm basing it on technicals. That is a bullish chart pattern. Expecting technicals to go up. This devs, I would leave this. Not really a fan of this stock, to be honest. Yeah, I would just leave devs. This one maybe above here. A lot of noise around this 130 level maybe for KULR. You can see that this is a major resistance level here. So we have KULR entries above 130. I'm in hollow with 12,000 with minus 12,000 left, $900. How do you suggest handling this? So all I can tell you is the best thing to do is understand what you did wrong and move on. So I know what you did wrong is that you did not have a stop loss. In my opinion, you need to have a stop loss. If you're going to trade without a stop loss, you need to stop trading and take your money out and go give it to the homeless or something, because you are throwing your money away. Start to use a stop loss and move on from there. Learn from your mistakes and actually start to execute trades properly. All right. Don't hold for targets. Don't fall for these bullshit stocks that people post. Learn how to trade, learn technicals. You're down $12,000. I cannot really help you with that and what to do next. Unfortunately, I would have been out at 3%. Assuming you're down a lot, doesn't look good. Yeah, I can't really help you with that. I don't really know what to do for that. I can't really help you, if I'm honest. Wow, Calm has gone insane. Only way you can deal with that is put a stop loss where you're happy. And then cut it from there. NVTS, 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 NVTS. But guys, you can't be falling for these stupid stocks. You cannot. You cannot. Not good. I don't know why people are putting all their money into one stock. It's the stupidest thing I've ever heard. There's no quick money scheme in stock trading or trading in general. No one has ever done it. No one has ever full ported everything to make a lot of money. Trust me. You need to learn how to trade. It's painful, it sucks, but if you want to learn properly, then do it. Otherwise, do long-term trading and invest on companies you like in something like Tesla, Apple, Google, where they're consistent, not these small cap trash stocks. All right. So try and learn from that lesson. All right. It sucks, but I know it's a lot of money, but at the end of the day, everything happens for a reason. How about the short squeeze? Don't know about short squeeze on DJY. Don't know anything about the short flow either. Right now, nothing on this. Maybe above like 340, 350 actually. Big would recommend staying far away. Yeah, just stay far away. APLD is bullish. Any thoughts on RR? RR is bullish. Would you say candlestick strategy most often? Yeah, I would apply it with the falling wedge and just when stocks are above VWAP generally. So candlestick strategy is my go-to strategy, yes. But I do usually add confluences with it, which fits the criteria that I use. Thank you for everything. No problem, my friend. I appreciate the kind words. It means a lot. Ian, this was the rascal that stopped me out yesterday twice. So look here, this is why I took the trade. I will show everyone why I took the trade twice. Took the trade twice. It was pretty much the exact same thing. I just got very unlucky here. We actually got very close to our target. So we entered around here, which was good. It literally was 1 cent away from our target, and then it knifed all the way down, which sucks. Unfortunately, with these kind of plays, and when we're in a Discord, we have quite a lot of members. Not that it's an excuse, but sometimes people, or most people, right, to be honest, is that we all have a target at the same place. So what happens is everyone sells around that level. Could be 517, could be 522. It's around that level. So usually what happens is when people take profits, it loses momentum and it comes down like it just did there. So we went up here. This was also close to our target. This one was 1 cent off. So it was just a very unlucky trade in my opinion. I would take it every single day of the week if I saw it again. That's kind of it, to be honest. Sometimes just the plays don't work out, but I mean, it was 1 or 2 cents off my target. What can I do, right? It is what it is. All I did was moved on, and now I focus on today. Today will be a better day, and if it's not, tomorrow will be a better day, right? Everyone wins, everyone loses. No one is 100% correct, and no one will win every day. Bullish pennant though. It looks pretty good, to be honest. It isn't a bullish pennant, but I won't be trading this at all today. No leverage. I do not trade anything on leverage. Stop loss on Weeble, 5%. ONDS, I went over this one earlier, I think. Yeah, ONDS is just in demand zone here. I said have a max like 5% stop loss on this. All right, ASTS. I'm going to do a last couple here and then going to head into the Discord. I got to set up live trading. ASTS is very bullish, 38.50, and then I think there's 43, yeah, 43.50. Looks good. ASTS is very, very good. Had a great day yesterday, 11% for a $35 stock is very, very good. ASTS, very bullish. Looks good, looks good, looks good. Expecting continuation again today. IMUX, what's happening with IMUX? IMUX, would not touch this, unless 0.88. IMUX entries above 0.88. All right. Calm. Yeah, I don't use any leverage. I just trade normal stocks. Wow, Calm's insane. Yeah, I'll update levels in a bit for this. Pally, this one got dumped, didn't it? Or is it reversing now? Pally, leave Pally. Leave it, leave it, leave it. Leave this one. It's not good. I'm going to go through my watches, guys, quickly. UAVs, 164 break is what you're looking for entries. MVTS looks good. Posted the key levels on this. Wint, nothing. 151 break on this. That is the only entry you're looking for. Above 151, if you enter below, that is incorrect. MGNX needs downtrend break. EVGN, nothing on this. Move this away. Meagle, still downtrend on this. KLTO, no. MRIN, no. Can you please do 7-day free trial? No, we will not. Unfortunately, we do limited. We do limited spaces every single month. So it is first come, first serve. That is what we do. The Discord is there. It is only $100 a month. If that is too much for you, then I highly recommend to not join. The Discord is full of education. It's how you learn how to trade. If you want to learn how to trade the full education, then you are more than welcome to join. If it is too much and you cannot afford it, then it's okay. Then you can join when you do have the money, or yeah, I don't know, maybe the Discord's not for you. But unfortunately, we have limited spots each month. We're not any promo codes, none of that stuff, all right? We have a very high reputation. We're probably one of the best Discords and the most consistency, extremely high content retention rate. And yeah, that's it. Full strategy, how we trade, everything is there as well. So it is an absolute steal for $100. I'm giving you literally 5 years of my experience and how I trade and how I've gained a 75% win rate in the last 4 or 5 years. It is all there for you. All you have to do is apply the knowledge. It will not happen in 1 day or 1 week or 2 weeks or 1 month or 2 months. It might take a little bit longer. It might take a little bit quicker. It depends how fast of a learner you are and how much time you're willing to spend on it. That is my honest truth. You can read the reviews if you would like. All Discord members, or a lot of them, have written some reviews, so you can have a look at that if you would like to. Maybe that will change your mind, but yeah, there will not be, and there will probably never be, any free trials. All right. Okay, guys, I'm going to head into the Discord now. I hope you all have a fantastic day. I will see you all tomorrow. Peace.